Out, gang. Man, it was came back here, it was sunny. Oh, couple seconds, it's hail right here, man. See if we can find some hail here. Yeah, hail coming down. Oh, right here. Whole bunch of hail right here. Can't see, but you can see on the sidewards there. Man, danger. Right here on the road. Check that out, man. Like fast hail. Right here, quick. Man, more hail. Wow, look at on the road over here. You can see, but they're on the road over here, right here. Look at that. Hey, cool. Cool. Oh, there, man. Small little guys there. So we can pick up one. I can pick up one of these cats up here. Oh, you can. Yeah, it's still solid. Look at that. Still solid, man. Heel. I think it's done real quick. Probably about a couple minutes. Man, weird. Alright, anyway. Got to see hail again. Second time. About melted already. Cool. This is Damascus, Oregon. Aloha. Cold. Phew.